So from now among, between and among we have done. Now third is up, on and upon. Where do we use on and upon? Both on and upon can be used while speaking of things at rest. Upon is used with things in motion, right? Upon is used normally for things in motion. My bag is on or upon the table. The cat sprang upon the table. Sprang मतलब cat is jumping on the table. So उसको express करने के लिए हमने upon use किया, right? So understand the correct use of upon. When do we use it, right? So further, above and over. I am not making you write any important points about these prepositions. I have just underlined the definition that you should write it. Rest all the things you will come to know as and when you practice in the exercises, right? So I have not given you any important points, and these points are not, fixed to any particular preposition. Any particular preposition can be used. Two or more answers are also possible in the exercises, in the fill in the blanks and all. So I am not making you write any important points in this lesson, right? Now above and over. Both above and over mean higher than. Sometimes we can use either of them. The flags waved over our heads. The flags waved above our heads. But over can also mean covering or vertically above. My father put a blanket over me. There is a bridge over the stream. Stream मतलब पानी का झरना, उसके ऊपर bridge है. Okay, so that way over can be used. Below and under. Both below and under mean lower than. Sometimes we can use either of them, but अंडर ऑल्सो मीन्स वर्टिकली बिलो, मतलब सीधा उसके नीचे. अंडर ऑल्सो उसका जैसे ये टेबल है उसके नीचे कुछ है तो सीधा वर्टिकली बिलो मीन्स अंडर. अंडर ऑल्सो हैज़ द आइडिया ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, मतलब कहीं ही इज़ वर्किंग अंडर मिस्टर सो एंड सो, ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. मतलब वो उनको रिपोर्ट करते हैं, राइट? ही इज़ द सुपरवाइज़र. सो ऐसे भी हम लोग अंडर यूज़ करते हैं. देयर वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल लेक बिलो अस इन द वैली. The traveler was resting under a tree. She put the book under her pillow. Below is also used in measurements to suggest the idea of being lower than. The temperature was 3 degrees below normal. Right? Below normal मतलब normal जो होता है 15-17 डिग्री, उससे भी कम था 3 डिग्री. तो ज़्यादा ठंडी थी या ज़्यादा cool atmosphere tha, to show that we use below, right? Now moving on to exercise 2, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. In some cases more than one choice may be correct. So we shall do again. I'll do 3, 1, 2 and 3. Rest of them I will just focus the camera on the answer key. You do it in homework. The next meeting will be held dash my house and dash model town, right? Between my house and model town, right? That you can write, or at model house, not between. I think this is only correct. Yeah, at my house in model town, right? Model town में जहाँ मेरा घर है वहाँ पर होगी. The train was passing dash a bridge, over a bridge. या अंडर भी आ सकता है, अंडर अ ब्रिज, वो भी पॉसिबल है. Two cars collided dash the middle of the road, in the middle of the road, right? Chalo, I'll write down all the answers here so that you can have an idea. A boy sitting dash the back of the class tried to disturb me. A boy sitting at the back of the class, at the backbencher. The members of his family are always quarreling dash themselves, between themselves, right? या among themselves. Between से ज़्यादा among themselves is better. Our boat was exactly dash the bridge. Our boat was exactly under the bridge. She stood dash the window and waved to me. Along the window or towards the window and waved me. Window पे खड़े रख के उसने मुझे wave किया. There is a thick fog dash the entire city. Over the entire city. Yeah, in the entire city is also correct. In the entire city. There is a thick fog in the entire city. There is an almirah. Almirah मतलब यहाँ पे उसका cupboard का meaning होता है. there is an almirah dash the window and the door. विंडो और डोर के बीच में, सो इट इज between window and door. And 10th one is she had a deep cut dash her forehead, right? Forehead, on her forehead and above her left eye. Okay, now prepositions of movement and direction that we shall see. To the school, that gives you a direction, right? Towards the school, that shows you direction. Go into the tunnel, tunnel का एक direction है, tunnel की तरफ आपको point out कर रहा है. Then out of, come out of the tunnel, coming out. Then from, pick from the table, taking from the table. Through, move through the forest. Over, fly over the hills. Along, walk along the bank. Across, row across the river. Round, run around the tree. Down, climb down the hill. Up, climb up the hill. Off, fall off the motorcycle. Fall off मतलब गिर जाना उसके ऊपर से, right? Okay, now prepositions of direction: towards, to, towards, into, at, far, against. ये सारे डायरेक्शन मोस्टली दिखाते हैं आपको. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाउ टू यूज देम. टू हैज़ द सेंस ऑफ डेस्टिनेशन, टूवर्ड्स ऑफ डायरेक्शन, राइट? वी वेंट टू द स्कूल, रीच द स्कूल. वी वेंट टूवर्ड्स द स्कूल मतलब स्कूल की डायरेक्शन में हम जा रहे हैं, इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द स्कूल. इनटू डिनोट्स मूवमेंट टूवर्ड्स द इंटीरियर ऑफ समथिंग. द डॉग जम्प्ड इनटू द पॉन्ड, पॉन्ड के अंदर वो कूद गया. शी क्वाइटली वॉक्ड इनटू द रूम. At has the idea of hitting. She threw the stone at the dog. For suggests the beginning of a movement. The workers left for the factory. The child leaves for the school early in the morning, right? Beginning मतलब for is suggesting that उस उधर के लिए, उस डायरेक्शन उधर के लिए वो जा रहे हैं, right? Against shows pressure or contact. He threw the bag against the wall मतलब उसे जोर से दीवार पे वॉल को फेंका, पटका. Prepositions of direction: from, off, out of. From is used with the point of departure. She has already gone from the office. Then off shows separation. It is used in the sense of from the surface off, down from. He fell off the horse. The ball rolled off the table. Out of the opposite. Out of is the opposite of into. मतलब into जो है, into दिखाने के लिए किसी के अंदर कोई चीज़ है तो उसको into यूज़ करते. उसका opposite is out of, right? Into, it means from the interior of, अंदर से बाहर जो निकलता है उसका. The bird flew out of the cage. Other prepositions showing movement are through, over, along, across, round, round up, down. These prepositions have already been illustrated, right? We travel by car, by bus, by train, by air, by boat, by sea. We walk on foot, we ride on horseback, we go on a bicycle. So these are very easy to understand, so I'm not explaining much about it, because as and when you will read the sentence, you will recollect that what type of preposition can be used in this sentence. And it is also possible that more than one options are possible, right? So you have to give it a thought that what kind of situation is there, accordingly you can use the prepositions. Now exercise 3, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. I will read out first 3, rest answers are already written here that you can refer and write it, right? I'll just focus it for a minute. The mad beggar threw stones at the children. The car knocked against the signpost and overturned. Against the signpost मतलब एक signpost वहाँ लगा हुआ है रास्ते पे, ऐसा उसके ऊपर कार टकराई, मतलब against the signpost and overturned, और उल्टी हो गई, right? The old man walked dash the park towards the road, from or through the park towards the road. Now 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 already the answers are there. Just go through. I'm pausing it for 1 or 2 seconds and we shall move further for correct use of certain prepositions. Okay, now further, correct use of certain prepositions: by or with. By is used to express the agent or doer of an action with which relates to the instrument with which the action is done. The burglar was beaten by some strangers with a stick. The lawn was mown by the gardener with a mower. mown मतलब lawn को काटना, जो घास जब बढ़ जाती है ना ग्रास, तो उसको कटिंग करते हैं वो रोलर से. there is a roller which is called a mower, right? उससे that is called mourning. Okay, after is used to denote some period of time in the past. In is used to show some period of time in future. She came back sometime after an hour. She came back home after an hour. She will come back home in an hour, right? So this is the difference. Besides means by the side of, मतलब बाजू में. Besides means in addition to, और कभी कभी हम उसको in addition to this, besides this ये भी है, ऐसा हम यूज़ करते हैं, right? In that sense. So here example is please put this bag beside the box. मतलब ये बाजू में हुआ, बॉक्स के बाजू में रखो. Besides giving me books, she gave me her notes. मतलब उसने मुझे बुक्स तो दी ही, पर उसके अलावा उसने मुझे नोट्स भी दी, राइट? सो इन एडिशन टू उसका सेंस होता है. वर्ब्स ऑफ कमांड, request, invitation, advise, normally do not take the preposition to after them. Such verbs are advise, ask, beg, command, encourage, invite, tell, request, warn. She advised me to wait and not advised to me, right? I requested the teacher to explain the poem again. She invited all her friends to her sister's wedding, right? So this is the difference in what way the prepositions are being used, right? Now there are just exercises on time. In time we shall do it, and exercise 4 का first 3 करके I will just leave it to the answer key, and you just copy it down to the exercise in homework. On time, in time. On time is at the arranged time, not before, not after, exact time. And in time, not late with a comfortable margin. We reached the station in time for the train. The train started on time, मतलब train exact time पे शुरू हो गई, right? So exact time is on time, and in time मतलब हम लोग well in time, time से पहले हम लोग अच्छे मार्जिन में पहुंच गए थे, ऐसा. Now he sat dash the table to write a letter, right? तो क्या यूज़ करोगे? At the table, right? So at is the correct answer. Then we rested dash a tree below under a tree. They have been troubling us dash the beginning, since the beginning. Yeah, from the beginning is more correct, right? Since the beginning is also correct. Both can be used. Since the beginning. Keep it since. Okay. Now from 4 to 15, I'm just focusing the answer key. The camera on the answer key. Just go through exercise 4 here. Beside, below, between, above, by, at, on. Just go through it. And next also, exercise 5. That also you have a look at it. I will solve 1 or 2 sentences, and then rest of them you should do it in the homework. And we stop there as the lesson is over, right? And ये exercise 5 भी इसी में देख लो. Then again I will not focus on the answer key, right? If you want, you can pause and write it down in your textbook itself, because सारे fill in the blanks हैं, right? Now exercise 5, fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. We left dash the airport, right? We left for the airport early in the morning. There was a pall dash fog, right? That is what? That there was a pall of fog. Fog मतलब mist, वो ये क्या बोलते हैं, white fog हो जाता है. That was there. Fog over the entire area. We had to drive dash a very slow speed. At a very slow speed, because fog में दिखाई नहीं देता है, इसके लिए. At a very low speed. Then because we could hardly see dash 10 meters, right? Beyond 10 meters आप बोल सकते हो, because 10 meters के आगे हमें कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था. There was no hope that our flight would take off dash in time. बराबर, on time या in time दोनों चलेगा. Then I am standing dash the movie times. At the movie times. How do I get dash the New Delhi railway station? To the New Delhi railway station. You are not very far from the station बोल सकते हैं, right? From the station. Go dash the end. Go at the end. या हाँ, go till the end. Go to the end is also also right. Go to the end dash of this road and turn right. Turn left dash at the next office, at the next traffic lights, right? Look ahead and you will see the station on your right. Okay, so I've written all the answers here so that you can have a look. So we stop here today. I have given all the exercises in the textbook only because mostly they are fill in the blanks, right? No need to write in the notebook. And no points, I have not underlined any points except for the definition. Definition भी छोड़ दो, लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Keep all the exercises in the textbook itself, right? So we stop here and lesson 15 conjunctions we start next time.